The next advantage I want to just talk about and compare it is really about the licensing world. Old SCADA licensing limits innovation. This is probably not new news to people. It's very costly to add more people to the system, to add another client, another view, to add tags and connections, and so it limits your flexibility to really be able to grow and to work both end user and integrator. So really, it really prevents an organization from getting data driven. It limits people and amount of data that are on the system and available for view. You can't get the maximum value, and it's becomes very, very difficult to expand. So we're talking about a new approach to this. The licensing of the new SCADA unlocks the user's potential instead of sort of artificially limiting it. The reason this was a very critical component because our roots, Steve Heckman, our CEO, has 25 years experience as an integrator that he brought to the founding of inductive automation, and he was going after the 25 major pain points experienced by integrators trying to serve their customers, and this was a big one. So you'd see, you really have to take a look at the licensing. Licensed by the server, unlimited free tags, clients, and connections, and allows users to connect with many people in the enterprise as they want to, that need the data and need to view it. People view what they need to view in order to do their jobs more effectively. So, Chris, let me throw this question to you. What does it mean for you and your customers when they're, with an old licensing model versus a new licensing model, and how do you approach customers and projects with the new model?
It means freedom. This was a huge change for us. This was one of the most enticing features up front about inductive automation, that it was unlimited screens, unlimited tags, unlimited database connections, unlimited scalability with that. And so it allows us to install it on whoever's workstation, laptop, whatever they want to view it from out there. And if they need to add on 5 more users or 25 more users, it doesn't matter. It doesn't cost any extra. And we had a similar problem to what Mark's talking about of you would always be basing your system on limitations. You would be trying to think, there's plenty of projects where you would design less tags into it because you wanted to stay within this tag count. And you'd have to be creative as how you're going to do it. And maybe you don't put up more screens because then that would go over the screen count maximum. And so Ignition just makes it simple. And what I love most is that, the Works package or Mission Critical, you just buy that, and it allows our engineers to do what they need to do. It has all of the historian, the alarm notification, the reporting, every feature that you would want. You're not buying a lot of different packages with different part numbers, with different limits. They get to give all of those features to the client, and it's so powerful.